Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to make some chicken societies kebabs with Was Sauce Hut's Ambassador, which is a South African sauce. So for the South Africans out there, so we know it as a monkey gland sauce. So I'm using normal chicken breasts and I'm just going to be cubing them up. I'm not a sort of butcher, so I'm just going to be roughly chopping them up, which is going to be going onto skewers, and I will be marinating them up. All I'm going to do now is just add a bit of salt and pepper. Give that a bit of a mix. And now for Waz's sauce. So I'm going to ask my assistant to take the lid off. Raw chicken and everything. And I'm going to, let that go now. Mix it in. And I'm going to let that marinate for a couple of hours in the fridge. Quick tip, guys. Soak your skewers in water. Prevents them from burning on the grill. Now I'm going to show you how I set my grill up. Alright, so I'm getting the grill set up. I've got one chimney of Big K charcoal in there now. It's lit. When it's about half lit, I'll tip it out and I'll show you where I'm going to put it. So, 3/4 lit. So I'm setting this up for indirect cooking. So what that means is the coals are going to be on this end. I'm going to put the skewers over here. And then when the lid is closed and the vents are open, it's going to nicely circulate the heat around the chicken. So while the barbecue gets up to temperature, I'm going to make a salad and skewer the chicken. So the grill was sitting just under 400 degrees. I've placed the chicken skewers indirectly. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate them, say, every 10 minutes, 5 minutes, just to see how they go, get them cooked through nicely. And then at the end, put them over the direct heat to give it a nice char. I've got it to a nice temperature of just under 70. So I've moved it over to the direct heat and I'm going to give it a basting so I can get it up to that 74 degrees is what you want on chicken. So have a look at this. There's our chicken skewer. It's going to go into flatbread and we're going to dig in. So this is my Ambassador kebab. So if I grab it here, pull some of that chicken off. Look at that. Can't go wrong with a little bit extra. So guys, that is the Ambassador chicken kebab in a flatbread. It's like heaven.